Hi. So, just a reminder from a 24-year-old guy na it's okay to feel lost. Kasi darating talaga sa buhay mo yun na napapatanong ka na, ano itong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko, di ba? Parang wala akong pupuntahan. Dumarating kasi sa point na parang unaccounted lahat ng progress ninyo. Tapos, bigla kang namulat na, nasaan na ako? Ano nang ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Which, I think is an indication na you're doing great. Kasi, alam mo or it's a time to reflect and look back na you made progress. Kasi imposibleng wala. Like, sa lahat ng taon mo for existing, imposibleng walang progress And it's a time, it's an indication na you need to look back and account all the good things that you are able to do for yourself. Mga bagay na nabigyan mo ng panahon. Kasi, if you spend some time sa isang bagay, it means you have knowledge. May kaalaman ka doon more than anyone. At least, or let's remove the comparison na lang. Sa sarili mo na lang na may natutunan ka. It's something to build upon. Meron ka nang nasimulan. It's time for you to reflect kung alin ba doon yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment. And then keep going. Kasi ang hirap talaga na wala kang structure kung anong gagawin mo during those lost moments mo. But I think it's a great way to start. Just a reminder, if you feel lost, you're doing great. Yun lang. Just another passing thought.